This is Lekki Avana 2. This is the most talked about bungalow in the whole of Lagos. Yes, you heard me right. It is located in Elerangbe in Ibeju-Lekki, right? There's a lot of work that has been done here. This company single-handedly graded the access road down from the Lekki Ekpe Expressway. That's to let you know that they mean business. And this is the official launch of the Lekki Avana 2. You clearly see that they have done a lot of work already before bringing this into the market. You can see that the landscaping is done, the access road is done, the street lights are perfectly working, you know. So this is not a case of bringing your money for us to work. They are actively using their own resources to make sure this estate comes to life. So this is Lekki Avana Phase 2, which consists of bungalow and is also going to be a resort. The essence of this is to give you an exceptional living environment for you and your family. We all know that Lekki Avana 1 was sold out in record time, and you want to get on board on this just before it gets sold out. Now, before you make a decision to say if you want to key in here or not, let me walk you through what this project looks like on the inside. Let's go. So this is the gatehouse. When you come in here, you're welcomed by this gatehouse where we'll be having our security personnel. They will be there. So anytime you want to come to Lekki Avana 2, you don't need to call anybody or do something. They are always stationed here for you. Before we explore what the bungalows look like, see some of the recreational activities that we're bringing into the market. This is a full-blown football pitch where you can have so much fun for the football lovers, where you can have a lot of fun with your family members. Remember that this estate is going to be a resort. So we're giving you premium living experience just by living here. You have access to your home. You also have access to recreational activities that will make your living experience here very seamless. Okay, we also have the tennis court there. So for tennis lovers, for football lovers, you have everything that you need. And of course, we have more things coming into this place. Our project here consists of 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom. And we have options of you choosing whether you want a pool or not. So let's see the exterior of what this unit looks like with a pool. Wow. This is not your regular pool. This is not your regular pool. Wow. 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 This is sizable for you and your family to have that nice sunny Saturday in. Amazing. And we also have a lot of space here where you can have your evening hangout with your families and friends. And most importantly, we are prioritizing eco-friendliness. We have a lot of trees currently planted here. Imagine just one unit have, this is 3 behind. I think we have 2 or 3 just in front again. So that's to let you know that we are prioritizing eco-friendliness and sustainability. And these trees are planted all over this estate. So let's see what the interior of this unit looks like. The interior that has a pool. Let's see what it looks like. Hello. So welcome to the interior. Goodness, this is beautiful. What? What? Oh my God, this is really nice. This is really nice. And it also has a door where you can oversee the pool, right? So you are just here sitting in the living area where your kids are having so much fun here and you can clearly see them. This is a masterpiece if you ask me. This is very nice. And this unit comes with an open plan kitchen. So we have this for open plan. We also have options for closed kitchen. You know, everybody has a lot of preference. But this is open plan, which is actually very beautiful. You know, so your wife is here making the food, you are there watching football, or you're also helping out with the cooking. Either one that works. This is amazing. Amazing, 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 amazing. I love the lighting, it's so soft. Wow. Okay, Let's see what the rooms look like. So this is the master's bedroom, but we'll tour it last. So you see, it's straightforward. You see how spacious this is. So no matter how big that you are, this can take you. This can take you. So let's look at this room first. When you see a house being built with so much intention, you will know. You would know. You would know. This developer has you in mind while building this. He has you in mind. And don't forget that all rooms comes en suite with toilet, bathroom. This is the second room. What's there not to love? What's there not to love about this home? No wonder is the most talked about bungalow in town. You can clearly see the reason. The painting, the lighting, the design, everything is warm. Everything is family friendly. And please note that the designs, they're not coming with the price. We did the sample units just to give you a clear view and feel of what you should expect when you invest here. Okay? Wow, that's a bathroom over there. And the bathroom, they are all spacious too. Let's look at the master's bedroom. Drum rolls. Voila. Ooh. Amazing. Amazing. I almost want to sleep here. Wow. And the beauty of Ibeju-Lekki is how quiet. This place is very serene. This is not the chaotic Lagos that we're all used to. It's just so serene. Wow. 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 If you want this, you already know what to do. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So let me know if you prefer the open plan kitchen or the closed kitchen. Let me know which one you prefer. They're all available. Anyone you want. You want the open plan kitchen? Beautiful. You want the closed plan? Anything you want, we'll customize it for you. So this is the exterior of the 4-bedroom fully detached without a pool, right? You can see the design is very minimal, simple, and very nice. That's the quality we are bringing in here. So, and it's also spacious. This does not come with a pool, right? So let's see what the interior looks like. Wow. Feels like home. Amazing. I'm sure you feel same too. Wow. So it has another exit door here. So the sitting area alone has 2 entrances. You can either come in from here or you can come in from the first entrance. So let's see what the other spaces looks like. Voila. So this is a closed kitchen. This is a closed kitchen and it is spacious. You can see from the video, and even when you come here to inspect personally, you will see that it is spacious. Comes with, the cabinetries and all of that. And I'm sure you are probably limited to what you are going to get in, the one that are going to be built. This is just like sample units of what you should expect from the 4-bedroom and 3-bedroom, right? Any other thing can be customized. So when you come in here, let's look at this room. Wow. Wow. This is one of the rooms. And no, this is not the master's bedroom. This is just one of the rooms. And the amazing thing is all rooms comes en suite. All 4-bedroom comes en suite of their bathroom and their toilets. Okay? So even the passage alone is wide enough. You see it. So let's see what the second room looks like. This is the second room. Amazing. Amazing. Please note that these units won't be coming with the beds and the interiors. This is just to show you what you should expect to do with yours. And of course, if you want us to help you with the whole designs and of course we can invoice you the bill for that. But this is just giving you a feel of what you should expect in yours. This is the third room. I like how spacious these rooms are. It's not the typical, you know, projects that you have in Lagos. This is not it at all. This is carefully planned, well thought after, perfect for family living. And of course, all rooms comes with their wardrobe, right? So let's see what the master's bedroom looks like. So this is the master's bedroom. I feel like sleeping here already. Wow, this is the master's bedroom. So it gives you a perfect feeling of what you can do with yours. This is an amazing project, if you ask me. Exclusive. This is amazing. This is amazing. There's just a lot of space to play around with, right? You want to do a 6 by 6 bed or even more than that. This place is more than capable for you. We also have the cabinet, the wardrobe here. We also have the wardrobe here. Amazing stuff, amazing stuff. This is an amazing project. This is an amazing project. Okay, so this is the 4 bedroom fully detached bungalow. It comes with an option of you wanting a pool or you wanting without a pool. And it also has an option of buying at the CARCASS stage. So you probably want to do the interior all by yourself. We have the CARCASS stage and we have the fully completed unit. So the prices will be posted in the description box where you have an option to carefully look at what truly works for you, right? So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Joanne. I do tours like this from time to time. It just helps you get a very good view of how, where your projects are located. Just gives you an honest review of the project that you would love to buy into. And I do this especially for my transparent clients who don't have access to personally come here to see what project looks like, but they're still interested in investing in Nigeria, right? So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you want this project, it's 5 million naira down payment, giving you good flexibility to pay for this project. This project payment plan is up to 12 months, if not more than, right? All the description you need will be in the description box. All right, so thank you for watching. See you on the next one.